There are already hundreds and thousands of AI tools available in the market. Futurepedia is like an aggregator of AI tools that look at most of them, categorize based on the domain or the functionality they provide. If you are someone like me who want to try out different AI tools available in the market, but to balance your work, your family, your hobbies and much more, you really don't get time to try all the AI tools, or at least the ones you might be interested in. At the same time, the options are too big. Now, when as a user I am going to search for AI tool, it's easy for me to have a requirement or what exactly I want to achieve. Go to Futurepedia, look at the AI tools available to address my need and then try it out. So you will be working on a much smaller list and it will save a lot of time for us. So Futurepedia is like your personal library, already categorized and reviewed the AI tools for you so that you don't spend much time doing the same thing. Let's directly jump into the walkthrough. Go to Google and search for Futurepedia. The first link you'll get the futurepedia.io. Click on that. Now you get an option for joining free. Click on join for free. You can use your Google account for sign in. Once logged in into Futurepedia with your Google account, this is your landing page. Now on the top you can see there's a categories like AI tools, AI agents, tutorials, etc. For this walkthrough, we'll just go little below. On the left hand side you can see most popular AI tools by business function. That's very important for which particular function you're looking at a AI tool to augment your work. So choose the one and then explore more on that. Let's say I am looking for customer service and support. So I click on that. Now I get all the tools related to customer service and support listed here. Now there is one interesting thing to look at. If you look at these sections, like it says freemium, it says paid, contact for pricing, etc. and you get free ones also. So basically, you looking at the Futurepedia list, you can identify which tool is totally free and which is paid and which is freemium. That means free plus premium. So you have a free tier to try it out, and then if you take a subscription of premium or premium plan, you get much more access to the resources. Now similarly, you have option for, let's say, sales, back office operations, growth and marketing, technology and IT, design and creative workflow automation. There is a second category. If you go little more on the left hand side towards bottom, it's called most popular AI tools by category. From my perspective, I mostly use this categorization, and let's say if I want to go for the productivity tools, I click on AI productivity tools here. Now once you go to this category, you have an option for see all AI productivity tools. I click on that. I create videos on AI tools and how they can solve problems in our day-to-day life. You might have seen everybody talking about Perplexity already. If you haven't tried that yourself, click on the I button, go to my channel and watch the video. It will help you to get started on Perplexity and become a pro very quickly. Now I get the subcategories of productivity tools like personal assistant, research, spreadsheet, translator, presentations, email assistants, etc. Now let's say I want to explore more on tools related to presentations. So I can go to presentations. Now there are 43 AI presentation tools listed in Futurepedia. Now on the top you see there's a trending, there's a popular and new. Now popular is the one that's I think by name it's clear the most popular tools in this category. And if you are out of the presentation tools in AI, the most common ones today people are talking about is Tom AI and then Gamma. So now Gamma, you can see it here. I am pretty much sure Tom AI will be appearing somewhere in the list. Let's see if I go to trending. Yeah, you can see the Tom AI listed here. It's a free tool. Now if you go to the new, so these are the new entrants in this category. Now same way, if you look at this, it's mentioned like it's a free trial versus premium by paid, etc. Now let's say if I go back to popular and then try to, or trending one, and then try to investigate more on Tom AI. Now if you click on that, you get all the information Futurepedia has already collected for you on these tools, like what this tool is meant for, what are the key features like AI driven content generation, then business or bright themes and responsive layouts for diverse devices, etc. You have a list of pros, you have cons. Then one more important information is who is using this tool today: founders and startups, creators, freelancers, marketers, sales teams, etc. Now what makes this tool unique? Then you have a link to the tutorial. At the same time, you get a ranking, or sorry, it's not ranking, it's actually rating by Futurepedia on different categories like accuracy and reliability, pricing, cost efficiency, etc. And you get an overall score also. Like for Tom AI, it's 4.4 by 5. It's a nice score to look at. You get a summary also. Now how this actually help you? So first of all, you look at, when you look at the categorizations, you look at a much smaller list of tools, and then you get all these informations provided by Futurepedia. You don't need to spend time to explore the tool and get to know about this. Now looking at this information, you know like what are the features you're looking for, or the cons actually impacts your work or not. So you can take a call whether it's worth to spend some time and explore this tool or not. So you get an early screened list of tools that you want to spend time on. It saves a lot of time for you. For pre-filtering tools based on the functions you're looking for, that can save a lot of time for you. And I think these 5 to 10 minutes you'll spend on exploring Futurepedia will be worth, and you can come up with a lot of ideas that can automate a lot of manual tasks you are doing today, even with a free tier tool, and eventually it will benefit you by saving a lot of time that you can spend on more important work in your life. I try out different AI tools almost every day, and I know there are so many tools in the market and it's not always easy. And Futurepedia is just like having a tech savvy friend for you who does all the hard work. So why not try this for your own benefit? Take 5 minutes and try to explore this today. If this video helped simplify Futurepedia for you, give it a like and share with your friend who might need it. Also, subscribe to my channel.